Imagine taking your beautiful Figma designs and instantly bringing them to life in a functional website without the usual back and forth. Today, we're bridging the gap between design and development by diving deep into how to seamlessly link your Figma designs with Webflow, creating an incredibly streamlined workflow. The magic of this integration lies in its ability to transfer not just the visual elements, but also their underlying styles and properties directly from Figma. First, in Figma, it's crucial to prepare your design assets for export. Make sure any elements you want to transfer to Webflow are clearly defined and organized. Now, head over to your Webflow project, navigate to your project settings. You'll find an option specifically for connecting your Figma designs. Click on that. Webflow will then ask you to provide the link to your Figma file. You can either copy the shareable link from your Figma design file, or, in some cases, directly import it. Paste that unique Figma URL into the designated field. This is the key that unlocks the connection between your two platforms. Once connected, Webflow will present you with options to import your design. You'll typically see a preview of your Figma file and the choice to import specific elements or the entire design. This is where the automation truly shines. Webflow intelligently reads your Figma styles, circumflex euros, fonts, colors, spacing, and more circumflex euros, and translates them into editable Webflow elements. You can then select any imported element in Webflow and see its styles meticulously replicated in the settings panel. This means you can fine-tune and further develop your design directly within Webflow. This process dramatically reduces manual recreation, minimizes human error, and significantly speeds up the transition from design mockups to a fully functional live website. It's your design, perfectly preserved and ready for development.